Virgil here with Ghost Vapes Customer Care. In this video, I'm going to show you how incorrect operation of the device can cause the MV1 to basically not do what it's supposed to. This is incorrect operation of the vape button. We've identified this action as what we call a misfire. It's when you don't press and hold the vape button down for the duration of your pull. Now I'll demonstrate it. First thing we'll do is put it in sleep mode. Now we'll put it in vape mode. And again, I'm going to engage the vape button, release, and then re-engage. As you can see, those coils are not getting too hot. However, the LED will still show you that it's doing something. Now, all you have to do is reset the vape. The settings are wrong, so you got to reset it. Just remove the battery, put it back in. Now I'll show you the correct operation. Sleep mode, vape mode. Now I'm going to press and hold this vape button without releasing it for the duration of the pull, and you can see now it's illuminated. We'll do a complete burn cycle. There you go.